So I finally got my DJI wireless microphone for just over $300 US. I'm back out the knife and I'm ready to unbox this thing. Trust me, coming like therapy. In unboxing this thing, the packaging feels so good. Inside of this pouch comes 2 windshields, charging cable and microphone jack. Everything is well set, well done. Alright, so the bad boy is right here, so you can plug in and charge one time right here, so your microphones and your wireless receivers will all be charging. Very, very convenient. You can also see at a glance the battery percentage, which is very